YouTube world, how are we today? Hope we're all going well. Here I am again. Who would have thought? So today, coming to you guys with a very exciting package that I received last night in the mail. You can see in front of me I have the Glacier GT, what is this, like 1990? RTX 2080 Ti Glacier waterblock from Phanteks. So pretty excited. This will be going obviously on the RTX 2080 Strix graphics cards that I have in this system. We'll be putting that on in the next couple of weeks. So I will do a video when I take apart and put this waterblock on. But for today, I thought I'd go through the unboxing of this beautiful looking black box. So here we go. So as I said, received last night. Comes in a very nice matte black box. Very heavy. Was not expecting this to be that heavy. Probably looking at, I don't know, 1.5 kilo, 2 kilo sort of weight there. Again, beautiful box. So you've got a seal down the bottom, but nothing up here. Seal missing. Not too sure if that's how it came from the factory to the shop, then to me. I bought this from PC Case Gear online, but I received this with no sticker, so there's a sticker missing. Not too sure what's going on there. Anyway, we'll open it up. So, what do we got? Is that there? Reckon that'll... Yeah, that's right. Alright, so, what do we got? Nice bit of foam insert packaging. Look at that. Look at that, would you? Ain't that a piece of work right there? That is truly a masterpiece, I must say. Very excited. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this, and it's all new experience for me. So we'll take this bad boy out. Oh, yeah, there is a lot of weight in that. Tell you what, beautiful, beautiful. So that's what it looks like there. Bit of an up close on her. So just quickly going through it. Obviously, it's got the plastic film over the top. We'll peel that off when she's all put up into the system and all connected up. So at the top we've got obviously the inlet for the hard tubing. So this takes your G1/4 screw thread fittings. So I've got the compression C-Type Pro from Thermaltake Chrome, which should go very nicely obviously with this chrome waterblock from Phanteks. This is RGB enabled, I believe. Yep, down the bottom. So just has a plug cable, which will obviously be in there, I would say, that you plug into that end bit there, and then syncs to your software that you're using on your computer. So nice bit of hardware there. Look absolutely fantastic. On the case, in the system, beautiful, absolutely amazing. So included in the pack we have 2 stopper valves. One there and one I just took out. Doesn't want to come out, but anyway. So 2 Phanteks chrome stop plugs. Obviously they will go into the top of the unit there, because I will need to put them in the front due to the front perspex on my case won't have enough room to run the custom tubing or any fittings outside this way, so everything will have to be plugged in through this way. So that'll look nice. Straight that back up there. Inside the kit we have some thermal paste from Phanteks. We've got the PHNDC thermal compound. Warning, keep this away from your children. No problems. And don't put it in your eyes. It's not eye drop, guys. Come on. That's funny. Anyway. So yeah, there's that. Got a couple of moisture packs. Awesome. Now, underneath here, what do we have? We'll take out the box. There's the other screw cap. So I'll put air in there. Beautiful. So, we have one ARGB cable that will plug into, as I showed you on the water block itself, will plug in, and then the other bit is into your a 3-pin connector on the motherboard. We have screws and thermal pads to cover the VRM. Then we have the, last but not least, we have the instructions. Now, you may recall if you watched my first video, well, I basically threw the instructions in the bins thinking, well not thinking, saying that who needs them? We're male, I'm a male, don't need them. I'm thinking I'm going to need these, just quietly, because there's quite a few screws to undo, and quite a few processes and steps in place that going to need to do. So definitely going to be using these. But that's it for today in the old box. That's all we got. But I tell you what, I'm very excited to put this in. I think it's going to be an experience taking apart the RTX 2080 and then putting this on right now. So very excited. As you can see, it's for the Strix board, which is what I've got in the system. Yeah, looking forward to it, guys. Very first time water block GPU, very first time hard tube water cooling kit, which is in the first video, which is the Phanteks M360 Pacific. So I'm looking forward to doing that, guys. Let me know what you think. Love doing this unboxing thing. It's pretty cool. Costs a lot of money, but whatever. Yeah, chuck a like down the bottom. Subscribe, that'd be great for more content. And let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.